Hello friends, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we will discuss the latest job opportunities from Cognizant. In this video, we will discuss the two job opportunities. First is for General C Programmer Trainee and second is for General C HR. So without further delay, let us discuss about this job opportunity from Cognizant. So the first job is for General C Programmer Trainee, ITPT off campus. This job opportunity is offered for the batch 2020 and 21 pass out candidates. The application deadline date is 6 January 2022 till 11:59 pm. Let us see the more about the job. The job function is information technology. The CTC they providing you is 2,52,000 per annum. Let us know the job description. In this, interpret the functional requirement and low-level design and develop simple-level coding component. Second is interpret the entities, relationships and create simple tables in databases. They have provided a list of job description. So before applying for this job opportunity, you go through this job description. Let us see the eligibility criteria required for this job opportunity. 2020-21 batch of BCA, BSc, IT, Computer Science, Computer Technology, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Statistics are eligible for this job opportunity. PG courses are not eligible. Consistent academic record of a minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, all subjects will be taken into consideration. If you have 60% in your 10th, 12th diploma, then you are eligible for this job opportunity. No standing errors in current education. Maximum of 2-year gap in education. If you have gap more than 2 years, then you are not eligible for this job opportunity. Open to Indian nationals, OCI and dual citizenship holder. Flexible to relocate to any location in India, work in any shift domain. Employees currently working with Cognizant cannot apply for this job profile. If you are not in Cognizant, then you can apply for this job opportunity. Let us see the second job opportunity from Cognizant. It is General C HR internship. The location for this job opportunity is Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida and Pune. The application deadline is 31st December 2021, 11 pm. Let us see the CTC. They are providing 25,000 per month. There is a salary breakup. Additional information is there will be a stipend provided to the selected candidate for duration of 4 to 6 months. 25,000 per month. You will get extra money. Let us see the roles and responsibilities required. Technical learning coherent management for a size up to 200 learners. Coherent orientation of the learning journey, continuous evolution process, organizing solution platform, connects and set expectation to learners on do's and don'ts. Learners' attendance, tracking, sessions, planning and scheduling, including coordination with trainers, both internal and external. Mentors BU, SMEs and support leaders. Connect session, planning and implementation. Coherent learning program validation, analysis, inference, action on course, correction, remediation, and weekly performance reporting. Be a single point person for the learners throughout the learning journey in resolving learners' queries, enable support, facilitate additional learning intervention as required towards successful graduation. Let us see the requirement. for the candidate who wish to apply for this job opportunity. The candidate must possess good time management skills, great interpersonal and communication skill, MS Office proficiency, expert proficiency with MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, excellent decision making and organizational skill, expert proficiency with MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, should have hands on with any database management tools, knowledge of data visualization and scripting tools is added advantage. Ability to logically knit the data available and gain insight and inference. Ability analyze and project the data for clear insight and visualization narrative. Quick learner to new technologies and tools. The duration is 4 to 6 months. Let us see the eligibility criteria required for this job opportunity. The candidate must possess 60% and above throughout their academic years, that is in 10th, 12th and graduation. Any year pass out is eligible for this job opportunity. Any BBA, BSc, BCom and MBA streams can apply for this job. 6 months of work experience would be an advantage for this job opportunity. So if you have experience, then you have advantage to apply. In this way, we saw the two job opportunity from Cognizant. If you wish to apply, then apply immediately because the application deadline for the first job opportunity is 31st December 2021 and for the second it's 6th January 2022. Let us see how one can apply for this job opportunity. Here you have option to apply now. Here you have to fill your full name, date of birth, gender, college, primary email ID, confirm email ID. In this way, first you have to fill your basic detail, then contact detail, then most recent education, previous education, details of 10th and 12th, internship, work experience, profile photo and documentation. In this way you fill the application form for this job opportunity. So without further delay, apply for this job opportunity. I will provide the link in the description box so that you can apply for this job opportunity. Thank you.